Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. What I'm getting ready to show to you in this video is how to turn a mug, a regular white mug, into the wood grain look that you want. So if you interested in that, I need for you to stay tuned. Hey guys, have y'all ever messed up on a mug? Have you ever messed up on a mug and you didn't want to throw it away? Well, let's go ahead and refinish it. Let's give it a new look. What I'm getting ready to do is spray it with some white prime.
Hold on, let me show y'all the mug, cameraman. Markers in effect. This was the mug. I guess she didn't like how it came out. Bam, bam. Spray paint action. Spray paint my pen, baby. Don't spray paint my pen. Yeah, get in there. Get in there. Yeah. 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 Wait a minute. Let me move around.
And we're just gonna go ahead and just let it dry. We'll be back. Hey y'all, welcome back. I am getting ready to go ahead and show you everything that you will need to go ahead and start. In the prior video, I showed you that I messed up this sublimation cup to where I didn't want to throw it away. So how can we go ahead and save that cup? So I spray painted it using your flat prime spray paint. You would need a pair of gloves, which I go ahead and put these on. You would also need something to protect your table, which is going to be the butcher paper. Of course, your mug. I got this brush. It's just a regular brush from Dollar Tree. And I have my alcohol ink. So the colors that I'm going to use is, I think I'm going to go with this color. Don't know what color this is. Don't know. But it's pretty. I'm going to go with these two colors. So just know with alcohol ink, it dries really, really fast. So let's go ahead and take the top off. And you're just going to hold it in your hand and you're just going to squirt. And you're just going to go up and down with the brush like that. And you see it gives it that little look. And you're going to do this all the way around the mug. It does splatter just a little bit, but you'll be okay.
And for those who are wondering, T-Mac, where's your wonderful husband? I'm here, y'all. I'm behind the camera.
Yes, my baby is there behind the camera. Try not to go over the same spot with the same color if you don't have to, only because it will give it like a circle look, unless that's the design that you're trying to get. Okay. So the same brush, I am just going to put, I think y'all, we just had a blooper moment, only because that's not showing up as dark as I thought it would. So let's try another color and see what it's going to do. Crafting is full of bloopers. Yeah, that's going to give it a different streak look, a different color. And remember, it dries just as fast So, uh-oh. So you gotta kind of be quick with it. With this, you can still put your epoxy if you want to do that at the end. I would suggest you do that because any liquid will go ahead and reactivate the cup for it to turn watery, should I say. And just put it, so you can just give it any kind of little funky look. It doesn't have to be any particular color, any particular style, just to your liking. You may try to roll just a little bit, but that's okay. Just roll with it. Just roll with it. That way. Because us crafters, we have our own little thing where we, you know, we try some things. We mess up a couple too, but don't throw it away. You can reuse it. Bring it to life. How it look, babe?
I don't know.
You don't know.
We'll see.
Let's see the final result.
I'm sure it's gonna be bomb, baby.
That's right, bomb, baby.
Everything my baby touch turns to gold.
Okay. Yes. Speak it. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm getting behind the kind of like a tiger look almost. Well, stripes and tigers and bears. Oh my. I'm trying to cover up all the white look. So, as you could see, I think I want to put just a little right there. You can put a name on it. You can add some glitter. Hey, I'm already thinking about what I want to do. I'm doing the inside of the handle now. You want to make sure all of that is covered. And this is just alcohol ink that you get from Dollar Tree.
Amazon.
Oh yeah, you can get it from Amazon too. Oh no, yeah, you can get these from Amazon. Sorry, it's the brushes, but you can get it from Amazon as well. Okay, y'all. So this is. Let me just go ahead and cover up the bottom. I think I want the bottom to be a solid color. Let me see. There's no certain look. Just a little bit here. You want to put just a little blue in there. You can do that if you want. And we are done. This is just a quick tutorial on how to recreate your cup. So this is the final finish. To clean the inside out is simple. All you have to do is just spray some alcohol, and I can go ahead and show you how to do that real quick. Spray bottle alcohol, get you a rag, spray the rag. And just wipe the cup.
And babe, are we gonna epoxy that?
Yes, we are.
And,
We
and
are
come
going.
back with the final thing?
We are. We are.
Are we using the dryer or the old school method?
We're gonna use the old school method only because I don't have the turner inside the dryer. But this is the final reveal. Well, not the final reveal. This is just how you alcohol ink a mug. So stay tuned. Bye. Hey, real quick, I'm just going to show you how to accessorize your cup if you don't want to do a vinyl. These are some great little stickers that I purchased offline, and I'm just going to take one off and just put it on the cup.
What does that sticker say?
Walk humbly.
All right.
I'm just going to put it on the cup. And it's clear. I'm just gonna rub it down. Rub it to where you don't see, if you see any bubbles, just rub it side to side to make sure that you don't see anything. So all the edges are down and it's ready to epoxy. Hey guys, the cup has been epoxied. This is the final reveal of the ink cup. Remember when we first started with this cup, it was messed up. So we spray painted it, put alcohol ink on there, and added a couple of stickers on there, which is joy, walk humbly, and believe. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.